This is the center console of the 2008 to 2010 Benz C-class W204 with the NTG4.0 system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Use the pry to pry open the air vent and unplug the cable. Use the screwdriver to loosen the screws fixing the head unit. Lift the fixing buckles on both sides and take out the head unit. Unplug the power cable. If there is an optical fiber cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness. Use the screwdriver to loosen the screws fixing the OEM screen. Remove the OEM screen and unplug the cables.